Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this pump action drain unblocker from Parkside. Quickly unblocks sinks, baths, showers and toilets. 6-piece set with accessories included and 3 years warranty. So let's open the box and find out how we can use this pump action drain unblocker. Included, of course, we have in the manual. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Accessories, we have the big rubber plate attachment, about 20 cm diameter. The small rubber plate attachment, 11.3 cm the diameter. And the other two, we have the big rubber attachment, 6 cm diameter, and the small rubber attachment, 5 cm diameter. One overflow seal and the main unit, the pump plunger with a pump handle. Pump, and then you will get some pressure inside here. The trigger with soft handle here. The pressure release screw. Unlock and lock. The pressure vessel and the nozzle. And obviously at the nozzle you can connect all the attachments. It is very tight. Okay, nice, and it will seal very well. I will show you, of course. And the smaller. And you can use and the overflow seal for the overflows. So let's move on for testing. Pumping. Okay. And now we need to fit perfect that. Press very well down and the trigger. And we can see the result, some dirt. As we've seen, this tool is a powerful and eco-friendly solution to tackle those stubborn clogs without needing harsh chemicals or professional help. The pump mechanism provides strong suction and pressure to quickly unlock drains in sinks, bathtubs and showers. It's user-friendly and requires minimal effort. Just a few pumps and you are good to go. No need for harsh chemicals, making it a safe and eco-friendly option for your home. If you are dealing with tough clogs and want an affordable, reusable solution, the Parkside Pump Action Drain Unlocker is definitely worth considering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home improvement tool reviews. Thanks again for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.